Hi guys, I am Frank. Today I am going to see an unboxing video. Today I am going to unboxing a multi-purpose storage organizing rack. The price of the product will be 499 rupees. Also the product material will be plastic and the product color will be blue. Also this product will be comes with a 4 number of shelf. The brand will be Airshare Enterprises and the model number will be RS0001. Also it also has an rust proof. If you ask me about the dimension of the product, it comes with a width of 10.5 inch, height of 60 cm and also it comes with a length of 14 inches. This product will be suitable for storage purposes. For an example, to store your kitchen stuff or an electronic stuff in this. Also in this product, in each shelf, it can withstand maximum of 2 to 3 kg. The slight drawback will be that it is not in wall mount shelf, and also if you ask me about the build of the product, it is not too good and not too bad in this segment. Overall, it is a decent product in this segment. Finally, in the box you can see one multi-purpose storage organizing rack. Okay guys, thanks for watching.